And Anil Ambani continues to step up the pressure and accuse the oil ministry of being partisan on the entire gas dispute. Today, what he's done is served notices to the parties concerned, and it seems like the pressure is working for the moment.
ये सवाल कोर्ट में है केस सब जुडिस तो इस समय मैं कुछ कह नहीं सकता इसके बारे में.
The petroleum minister feeling the heat after Anil Ambani accused his ministry of siding with his older brother and RIL chairman Mukesh Ambani. The reverberations of the family feud between India's top industrialists being heard in the parliament.
I don't think that perception is good, and we have no differences of opinion between the petroleum minister and the law ministry. We government will always speak with one voice, and we will speak and we shall speak in future also.
A day after accusing the oil ministry of adopting a partisan stand on the Reliance gas dispute, Anil Ambani today said that he served notices to the parties concerned and will soon move the Supreme Court for an early resolution on the matter.
The gas supply dispute between Reliance Industries and Reliance Natural Resources vitally affects public interest. Reliance Natural Resources has served notice on the Petroleum Ministry and Reliance Industries Limited.
The government is not partisan, so why should government be partisan? We have been only actually seeking to protect public interest.
He has raised some particular...
Let him speak. We can't answer whatever he says. No?
No, but he is saying that why not nationalize the oil assets? Why not? You are saying government is not
Government is not partisan. We can't be answering questions actually whatever he says. No? He's a private party. He can't speak everything. Government has got its own limitations.
The next hearing of the feud over natural gas from the KG Basin will take place on the 1st of September. On record, RIL refused to comment on the matter, saying that it's sub judice, but it's clear that the feud is far from over.
The court regards these kind of running commentary on what is before it with contempt.
Right.
Our judges are made of sterner stuff. None of this is going to deflect. If somebody has a feeling that they can create enough controversy and therefore the judges will be overawed by the matter, nothing of the sort.
Anil Ambani's pressure seems to be working for the moment, as the Petroleum Ministry now plans to amend the petition in the Supreme Court and remove the clause that declares the family MOU null and void. Clearly, the last word on the Ambani gas dispute is not out yet. In Mumbai, this is Harishri Mehta for Times Now.